Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily add live recognition to the control center on your iPhone and iPad. Apple continues to improve accessibility in iOS 27, and live recognition is one of its most impressive additions. Designed primarily to help users with visual impairments, this intelligence feature uses on-device AI and your iPhone or iPad's camera to recognize objects, read text, identify surroundings, and even answer questions about what it sees in real time. To make the feature instantly accessible, you can add live recognition directly to the control center. Once it's there, you'll be able to launch it with a single swipe and tap instead of navigating deep into the settings app. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to bring up the control center on your device, and then you have to hit the plus button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on Add a Control button. Then you have to head over to the Vision Accessibility section and choose Live Recognition. And finally, you have to tap on the empty space to finish, and that's about it. Adding live recognition to the control center makes one of Apple's most powerful accessibility features available in just a single tap. Instead of searching through settings, you can instantly launch live recognition whenever you need assistance identifying objects, reading text, recognizing scenes, or getting real-time information about your surroundings. This quick access can make a significant difference, especially in situations where every second counts. What makes live recognition particularly impressive is that it combines Apple's on-device intelligence with your device camera to provide fast, private, and reliable visual assistance. So whether you are trying to read a restaurant menu, identify household items, locate doors, understand your environment, or simply learn more about what's in front of you, the feature delivers helpful guidance without requiring complicated setup. Since much of the processing happens on your device itself, your privacy is better protected while still benefiting from advanced AI capabilities. Now that I've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.